watching this video, I would like to ask you guys, please watch it fully so that whatever I have tried to give you the information about my university, like exams, girl safety, ragging, and the environment of Kazan, so you will get all details here. So please watch it fully, and I will meet you at the end of this video. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I'm not outside. I'm still inside my hostel campus. So today I will tell you some interesting facts about Kazan Federal University. Firstly, I will tell you how we are giving our exams. So when our teachers are teaching us one chapter or two chapter, you can say one topic. Let's take an example of anatomy. If the teacher teaches osteology, so after finishing that topic, he will give us small test, and we say here it's control. So we will give that test, and then when he will teach another topic and then another topic, so in that way we are giving small control. And while teaching, if he is asking something or discussing something, so he is even observing that you are active in class or not. If teacher is asking, you are answering or not. So in that basis also there is activity point for us. So our 50% points are coming from our activity points as well as our control points. So 50% is from that, and at the end of semester 50% are from the exams. Here we have in first semester we have for some subjects we say is Zachot, it's Zachot, and then at the end, like when we finished our whole first year, then at the end we have given our final exams. So in that way we are giving our exams here. And you know what, it's not easy to give exams here. Like university is really strict, and if you are thinking like you want to just come here to get your medical degree, so I will suggest you don't come to Kafu. You won't get here degree without doing any hard work. You should study very well, then only you can get here good points. So this is my suggestion. If you want to come here to get knowledge, and if you are ready to do hard work, then only come here. Otherwise don't come. Go to other universities. There are a lot of universities in which you can just pay money and get your degree. Secondly, for the clinical exposures, I will tell you from the first year itself, we have here anatomy museum, and we were doing our practicals on the real cadavers. It was not fake or it was not made up of plastic, it was real, and we were doing our practicals on that. And our anatomy teacher, he was too good. He was helping us to know everything very well, and we have very good preparation in our museum, like for the bones, for muscles, for blood vessels, for nerves. There are preparations of everything, and it was really very good experience while studying anatomy on that real cadavers. It was really very exciting. So in first year, like we were having the real cadavers. After that, during our summer vacation, there is stimulation center in our university, in which they have very advanced technology of dummies. So they were showing us like when we will go to the hospital, when we will deal with the real patient, so how we will do that, how we will manage our stuffs, how we are going to deal with the patient. So they were training us during summer vacation. So we were having our practice with dummies only in summer vacation. For rest of the whole year, we were doing practice in the real that cadaver during the first year. And then after when I went to the second year, so our teachers start taking us to the hospital. In that we were going to do our practicals on the real patient. So it was really good. So I will tell you, we don't have any issue here with the practical, and we are very good here because we have every facilities related to the clinical exposure. So I'm feeling very good that I choose this university, and whatever I was thinking that I will get it or not, I'm getting everything here for my studies. So this is the thing which you should know about the Kafu. And the next thing I will tell you, there is no issue of ragging. And if you have any issue, you can complain to your seniors, they will help you. You can complain to the head of hostel, you can complain to the university, everybody will support you. There is no such discrimination like you are foreigner, so why they will consider you. No, even they will consider you more because you are foreigner. So there is no such kind of issue related to ragging. And for the safety, so especially for the girls who text me about the safety, so I will tell you there is no problem. We have here everything, there is camera everywhere, and if you have even a small issue with any people, you can just complain, and they are very strict for this. So there is no issues. Even I'm girl, I was thinking the same when I will go outside, because in my whole family I'm the first person who came in the foreign country. So my parents were also thinking like, is it safe for my daughter or not? So really don't worry about this, it's completely safe here. And about the environment in Kazan, so I will tell you here the environment is really good. There is no criminal activity. I'm too safe here. And about the weather situation, so I think from October till March or April there is cold weather, and especially at the time of November, December, January and Feb there is snowing here, and here we have special jackets for that, and after wearing that special jacket you won't feel any cold. It will be like we are living like in India during the cold weather. So there is no such kind of issue that there will be too much minus temperature, how we are going to survive there. No, there is no such issue. Even as comparison to Moscow, in Kazan it's better. Here the maximum it will go maybe minus 25, and even it's just for maybe for a week, once in a year. Except that maximum, you know, at the time of December and January it's like around minus 10 to minus 15. After that it will be almost at minus 10, minus 8, minus 5, or maybe around 0. Right now is the month of April, and right now here temperature is plus 10 degrees Celsius. So during summer it's like 15 to 25, and maximum is 30 degrees in the summer. So for the temperature it's really good, and here there is no criminal activity, we all are completely safe, there is no issue here. So you can come here, there is no any problem. And if still if any student have any issue, then everybody is here too helpful. Whenever you will need any help, there is 24 hours emergency situations, whatever you are having, 24 hours help service is available here. So I can say like anytime if you need any help, so we have here, everybody is here available for us to help us in anything. And one thing more I will tell you, we know that due to corona issues we are in very bad situation right now. I'm very thankful to the director of my university. It's really very good thing what he did for us. He has given us food products, and there was a lot of things, and he has distributed to every student who is in hostel. I'm really thankful for this. I don't know that in another university they got such thing or not, but just in my university they have given it to us. It's really very good thing. So I can say our university is really very good. They are doing their best what they can. Thanks for watching it. I hope you guys liked it, and I will meet you in my next video with other details of my university. And here it's my Instagram account and it's my Facebook account. If you want to ask something, you can just text me and I will try to reply.